Respecting identities. Asking for and using preferred pronouns. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic in English language learning. Asking for and using preferred pronouns. This is not just a grammar lesson, but it's also a way to ensure that we respect and affirm people's identities when we communicate. Pronouns in English, such as he, she, and they, often convey information about the gender of the person we're talking about. But not everyone identifies strictly as male or female, and not everyone uses the pronouns you might expect based on their appearance. This is where preferred pronouns come in. These are the pronouns that an individual would like others to use when talking about them. Using someone's preferred pronouns is a basic way to respect their identity. When we use the wrong pronouns, it can feel disrespectful or even hurtful. It's a simple step that shows you see and respect people as they are. One of the most respectful things you can do is to ask someone for their preferred pronouns. You can say, "May I ask what pronouns you use?" Or, "Can you tell me your preferred pronouns?" It's also good to share your pronouns in return. Once someone has shared their preferred pronouns, try your best to use them. For instance, if someone uses they, them pronouns, instead of saying, "He is a writer," you would say, "They are a writer." If you accidentally use the wrong pronoun, quickly apologize, correct yourself, and move on. Saying something like, "I'm sorry, I meant they," is usually enough. The important part is to try your best to remember and use the correct pronouns moving forward. Thank you for joining us in this crucial topic of learning English. Always remember, asking for and using preferred pronouns isn't just about mastering English grammar. It's about showing respect and understanding for everyone's identities. Keep practicing and always strive to make your conversations as inclusive and respectful as possible.